one thing with cleaning product. It has nothing to do with season or economy. Whether money deal, money no deal, people must clean up. People must wash.
Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe, trainer of thousands of smart entrepreneurs across the globe. From learning to create quality cleaning products, to building your brand, growing your business, and living your best DIY lifestyle. This is your calm corner for skills, beauty, health, and income. Welcome to the Naturally Gifty Vibe.
Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. My name is Gift, and in this channel, I teach practical skills that can put money to your pocket, especially in the cleaning product business. Now, before we go quickly into today's video, about 4 days ago, I dropped a detailed video where I explained how to start cleaning product business, especially if you're a beginner or you're starting with small capital. And in that video, I talked about the mindset you need to start, things you must understand before producing anything, common mistakes beginners make, and why some people fail in this business. And if you have not watched that video, please pause this one right now, go back and watch it. Today's video is like part 2, and without watching the first one, you might not fully understand what we're about to discuss now. So go now while I wait. Welcome back. Now that you've understood the foundation from the previous video, let's move straight into today's topic. So now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a simple product plan that you can start with in this cleaning product business. And this plan is specially made for beginners, people with small capital, and people who genuinely wants to go into this business to sell and make profits, not for fun. Now, just in case you don't know, when going into cleaning products or any business, a product plan is very important. Now, why is it important? One big mistake I see a lot of beginners make is trying to start everything at the same time. Like you see someone who just started this business some days ago and they're already selling detergent, liquid soap, toilet cleaner, bleach, bar soap. Like they want to do everything at once. And before they know it, they're overwhelmed, confused, and broke. So that's why you need a product plan, because a product plan will help you to stay focused, manage your capital, learn faster, and grow step by step. So in this video, I'll be showing you the best product plan to start with and how you can expand it without stressing yourself. So please relax, grab your notes if you can, and let's get into it. Now, let me be very clear and open with you. If you're just starting out, you don't need many products. What you actually need is fast-selling products. The type of product that people buy on a daily basis or weekly, not once in a while product. So I'm going to give you 3 product starter plan that you can start with. And in these 3, you can choose one. Now, if you're going for liquid cleaning products, the number 1 product you can go for is multi-purpose liquid soap. Now, I know by now you'll be wondering why, because you think it's common, just like the name implied, multi-purpose liquid soap, which means that basically it's used for all types of cleaning. You can use it for laundry, use it to do dishes, use it to mop house, use it for washing of cars, like basically all types of cleaning. Now, unlike dishwashing liquid soap, you all know that dishwashing liquid soap is mostly just for dishes. Sometimes can be used for hand washing. So you can't really use it for a lot of things. So it's limited when it comes to cleaning. You can see people rarely use dishwashing to even mop the house. But if it's multi-purpose, people use it for a lot of things. And even in the production of these 2 products, you can see that in the production of multi-purpose liquid soap, there are additives which actually helps to improve the cleaning effects, which is the reason it can be used for laundry. So it is very lucrative when it comes to selling out. Like me being in this business, I can tell you how many times we supply multi-purpose liquid soap in a week. And that is not the same with dishwashing soap. Even the people we sell these products to. Now, let's say you supply like 5 liters of dishwashing, 5 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap to a customer. And then 1 week later, they are back, they want to buy multi-purpose. Now, when you ask them about the dishwashing liquid soap, they'll tell you, it's just for dishes now, it's still there, right? But this multi-purpose is what they use basically for everything. And sometimes these people don't like buying dishwashing, since the multi-purpose can also sell for dishwashing. So they don't like buying dishwashing if they are buying multi-purpose. It's just some few of them. People who don't like that normal fragrance in multi-purpose liquid soap for their dishwashing. Those are the type of people that can buy dishwashing liquid soap and buy multi-purpose liquid soap separately. And this is why in the production of multi-purpose liquid soap, the type of perfume or fragrance that is used is different from the one of dishwashing. So they prefer dishwashing soap, because when it comes to dishwashing liquid soap, the fragrance is mostly citrus, right? While multi-purpose, we use sometimes normal fragrance because a lot of people use it for laundry. So you need to use something that will make their clothes to smell nice, or something that will make their house to smell nice. So some people don't really like such fragrance for dishes. That's why they prefer to buy dishwashing liquid soap and multi-purpose liquid soap separately. But it's just a few people I'll just say 3 out of 10. And that is why multipurpose liquid soap is very lucrative when it comes to liquid soap. So that is why I recommend you starting with multipurpose liquid soap if you want to, unless you just don't want to do it. Now, if you don't have enough capital to start this business and you're wondering how you're going to start, let's break it down. Now, let's go into the things you need to produce this multipurpose liquid soap. And for someone who don't have enough capital to start this business, if you have 10,000 naira, I'll be giving you the list of chemicals that you can buy with your 10,000 naira, and you can make up to 10 to 15 liters of multipurpose liquid soap. Now, if you have your 10,000 naira, all you have to do is to go to a chemical shop, tell them to give you these ingredients. So I'll be giving you a list of the ingredients you need to produce 10 to 15 liters. Now, why am I saying 10 to 15 liters is that sometimes when you're producing multipurpose liquid soap, due to the additives, you can use 10-liter measurement to make up to 15 liters. Sometimes 20 liters, depending on how you want the quality. So it's like that. Now, I'll be giving you a list of chemicals that you can use to produce 10 liters or 15 liters. The number one chemical you need is caustic soda. And caustic soda, you need 30 grams, which is sold for about 100 naira. That is if you're in Nigeria. So I think 30 grams of caustic soda should be around 100 naira. And the next chemical you need is soda ash. And for soda ash, you need 125 grams. And for 125 grams of soda ash, I think it's sold for about 200 naira. Yes. And the next chemical you need is STPP, sodium tripolyphosphate. And what you need is 125 grams. And for the 125 grams, it's sold for 250 naira, depending on the shop. Sometimes you can get it for the rate of 200 naira and sometimes 250. But let's just go with 250. So you can get the STPP 125 grams for 250 naira. And then the next chemical you need is SLS. And for the SLS, you need 125 grams. And it's sold for 1,050 naira, depending on the shop, from 1,050 naira or less than. Now, the next chemical you need is sodium sulfate. And for the sodium sulfate, you need 250 grams. And 250 grams of sodium sulfate should be around 300 naira or 250 naira. Now, the next chemical you need is nitrosol. You can either use nitrosol, HPMC, Genosol. Anyone can go for this. And for the nitrosol, you need 50 grams. For the 50 grams, it's sold for around 600 naira, 600, 400, thereabouts. And then the next chemical you need is Texapon, which is SLES, sodium lauryl ether sulfate. Now, the Texapon, you need 250 grams. And for the 250 grams, it's sold for around 1,000 to 1,500 naira. Now, the next chemical you need is sulfonic acid. And for the sulfonic acid, you need 750 ml. 750 ml of sulfonic acid, which you're going to get it at the rate of 2,800 and sometimes 2,500. Now, the next chemical you need is foam booster. Depending on the type of foam booster you're using, you can use either local foam booster or you can use foreign foam booster. If you're using local foam booster, you can get foam booster, let's say 150 ml of foam booster for as low as 300 naira to 500 naira. When you're using foreign foam booster like Cocoa B10, 150 ml of foam booster is going to be around 1,200 naira. Now, the next chemical you need is glycerin. And for the glycerin, you need 100 ml. And for 100 ml of glycerin is sold for 500 to 600 naira. Now, the next chemical you need is color. For the color, you can use from 5 grams to 10 grams, which is not going to be less than 100 naira or 200. Now, the next thing you need is perfume. And for the perfume, you need 40 ml. And for 40 ml of perfume, depending on the type of perfume you're going for, it can be sold for around 800 to 1,000 naira. But please take note, don't go for expensive perfume. Perfumes are very expensive. As a beginner, if you don't have enough money, don't go for expensive perfume now. Just go for cheap one. And for the cheap one, you can get up to, you can get like 40 ml of perfume for around 1,000 to 1,500 naira. So yes, you can go for that. And the next chemical is preservative. We have different types of preservative. We have methyl paraben, we have sodium benzoate. And for the preservative, you need 10 to 20 grams. And for the 20 grams, if you're getting sodium benzoate, you can get it at the rate of 300 naira. And if you work with all this measurement and price, you'll be spending not less than 10,000 naira to buy all this chemical. And with all this chemical, you can be able to produce up to 10 to 15 liters of multipurpose liquid soap. Now, if you don't have up to 10,000 naira, all you have to do is to divide it into 2, buy the 5,000 naira measurements, and you can start with that. Now, after getting all these chemicals, the next thing is to look for a good formula online, which I have lots of videos on my YouTube channel on how to produce quality multipurpose liquid soap. So you can check my YouTube channel, follow any of the tutorial, and you can be able to produce quality multipurpose liquid soap. Now, after producing your multipurpose liquid soap, marketing comes in, which is actually one of the major parts of this. It's not just about starting business, it's about pushing the business. Yes, you need to push your business. Everybody does it. You can't wait for people to come and look for you. You have to go look for them. Even big brands pay celebrities to advertise their business for them. So you need to stand up and push your business. It's a must. Now, the next product on my list is laundry bar soap. Laundry bar soap is very lucrative. Like, you know how often people use laundry bar soap. In fact, if you're able to carry your laundry bar soap to any market around you, you will make good sales. Trust when I tell you this. And if you cannot take it to any market, if you have any shop around you, you can beg them to help you sell. All you have to do is to produce, keep it there for them, and they will help you sell. Okay? But that is going to take a lot of your time. Like I said, as a beginner, you need to be able to push your business. So as you're just starting, bring out your energy and push your business in any way you can. You can produce it, supply to stores. They will buy. Stores will buy from you because a lot of people are looking for such type of soap. You don't even need to do much. You can make naked laundry bar soap and supply it to stores, and people will buy. People will buy. It's very lucrative. Now, if you want to start a laundry bar soap business, you can start with as low as 10,000 naira. Yes. All you need to do is to get good oil. You can either use 3 different types of oil or 2 different types of oil. And as a beginner, I recommend you starting with 2 different types of oil. Number 1 oil you can start with is palm kernel oil. And palm kernel oil is affordable. You'll be needing 980 grams of palm kernel oil, but you need to buy up to 1 liter. And for 1 liter of palm kernel oil, it's sold for around 3,500 to 4,000 naira, depending on where you buy from. So if it's sold for 3,500, you'll be buying 1 liter, and out of the 1 liter, you'll be needing 980 grams. And for the coconut oil, you need 420 grams. But unfortunately, I don't think you can get 420 grams of coconut oil. So what you need to do is to get 500 grams of coconut oil. And out of the 500 grams, you're going to be needing 420 grams. Now, 500 ml of coconut oil is sold for around 4,000 to 4,500, and sometimes it's even up to 5,000 naira. So even if it's sold for 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira and 3,500 naira for palm kernel oil, and that's around 8,500, and we have 1,005 remaining. Now, after getting the oils, the next ingredient you need is caustic soda, and for the caustic soda, you need 240 grams. And for 240 grams of caustic soda is sold for around 800 to 1,000 naira. So if you get it for 800 naira or 1,000 naira, you have 500 naira remaining. And with the 500 naira, you can be able to get pine oil. The pine oil is serving as a fragrance in your production, and it smells really good. You're going to love it. After getting all these things ready, all you have to do is to rush to my YouTube channel, watch any tutorial video on how to produce laundry bar soap, follow the formula, and you can be able to produce quality laundry bar soap for commercial purpose, and you start making your money. So it's just that simple. It doesn't really cost much, and the business is really not that stressful. You can just start your business before you know you start making sales. So that's it. Now, the last but not the least in my list is fabric whitener, also known as bleach. Now, you're either going for bleach or you're going for toilet cleaner, but I recommend you go for bleach because nowadays, bleach is not only used for fabric whitening. A lot of people use it to wash their toilets. They use it to disinfect. Like, it's serving lots of purpose now, and it's very lucrative. A lot of people buy bleach now, like it sells really well now. So you can start with bleach. And one of the most amazing parts of this bleach business is that it doesn't cost much. You can produce bleach with less than 4 ingredients. And trust me, you can be able to make sales with it. So it is very easy to start, lucrative, and not stressful. Doesn't really stress that much. Like, you can use around 5,000 or less than 5,000 naira to buy those chemicals. And you can be able to produce up to 10 liters of bleach. So you can just give it a try. So that's it. You can try any of these products. They are very lucrative. And trust me when I tell you that if you're consistent, in less than 2 months, you start making massive sales. You start branding it to your taste. Another advantage here is that cleaning product has nothing to do with season. You see, when they say that this business is seasonal, it has nothing to do with season. You can't sell, oh, I'm unable to sell this product now because it's rainy season. I'm unable to sell this product now because it's dry season. No, it has nothing to do with season. In fact, it has nothing to even do with economy. Whether there is money in the country, there is no money. People must clean. Whether you have money or you don't have money, you must use that 15 naira in your hand to buy soap because you need to clean up your space. You need to do your dishes. Whether you have money or you don't have money, or you cannot come back home and you see that your clothes are dirty and you leave it like that. You can't be wearing dirty clothes. You can't come back home and you see a lot of dirty dishes in the kitchen and you leave it like that. You must clean it. So that's one thing with cleaning product. It has nothing to do with season or economy. Whether money deal, money no deal, people must clean up. People must wash. So it's a very good business idea. A lot of people don't know this. It's very lucrative. No matter how many people that is into this business, this is an everyday use, so the demand is high. It doesn't matter how many people that is doing it in your area, in your location. The demand is high. If there are a lot of people doing this business in your location, find another location. The demand is high everywhere. Now, take for example, see the amount of tutorial videos online of how to make liquid soap. You can find a lot of tutorials on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and still, when you go to the store, you see that these big brands, they are still selling their products. The big brands like Money Fresh, Too Short, they are still selling liquid soap. Me running an online training, I've trained more than 1,000 students, and I am still selling my products. Even in my location, I've trained a lot of people, and I'm still selling my products. So this business has nothing to do with economy, season, or there's a lot of people doing it in my area. No, so long as you know what you're doing in this business, trust me, you are good to go. So you can give it a try if you want to. So friend, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're just joining for the first time, my name is Gift and I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and don't also forget to share with your friends. And now to my beautiful, wonderful and amazing Gift team, thank you for being here. God bless you. So friend, I'll see you on my next video, but before then, stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye.